There's an old Greek proverb that says that a society grows great when old men plant trees whose shade they know they will never sit in.
The 50 Parks Initiative is a program by the Recreation and Parks Department of the City of Los Angeles to end forever the thought that Los Angeles, or any of it, is park poor.
In 2009, we did a needs assessment for all of the parks. The #1 request was more green space.
We believe that every part of the city ought to have green space and open space.
We also capitalized on the downturn in the economy. Foreclosed properties became rampant in certain areas of the city.
Empty lots, blighted property.
This was a problem, but also a tremendous opportunity. A chance for us to take housing sites and turn them into parks. We talked to the banks that hold land. We talked to the city's housing department that had funds by which they could buy houses out of foreclosure. We talked to the Los Angeles Department of Water and Power and got sites that used to be water wells.
In everything we do in recreation and parks, we need partners. We need public partners, we need private partners. We need people to come together for a common goal.
We use them in park acquisition and in community outreach. There's not a single template because we ask each community, each neighborhood, what it is they want, so they differ somewhat.
The grassroots planning that goes into all these parks is so importantly vital to the longevity and the health and vitality of each of these parks.
We've done everything we can to minimize the level of cost and personnel.
So we're doing things like putting in LED lights and solar-powered lights.
We have these parks fenced. There are gates that open and close automatically in the morning and the evening.
Solar compacted trash cans.
Our department has reduced in the last few years our total water use by 35%.
Low water use type planning, doing turf reduction in some areas.
Through smart irrigation, through recycled water.
Those things will ensure that these parks are there forever and they're there for these communities to use.
Although we're a great city, there's a bit too much concrete.
They go from the streets to an area where it's green and lush, where kids can participate in their own community and learn environmental skills.
The value of what it's doing to improve these blighted neighborhoods, clean, safe parks in their areas that will help increase their property values.
A jewel, an island of paradise.
That creates a space for people of all ages to go and have some environment of recreating.
So what we're doing now is not only for us, but it's for our children and our children's children and their children forever.